guys, it's EMUA. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating my everyday look, so you get to see the different products I use to create my look. And if you keep on watching, you will actually get to see the end result. At this point in the video, my phone died, so my eyeshadow application was demolished. Which means next week there'll be another YouTube video of just eyeshadow application, so please turn the notifications on to see when this video is published. So guys, you have made it to the end of the video and you've seen the final look, and the products that I've used are listed down below in the description box alongside my social medias. So now you guys know what you have to do next. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.